Oh, welcome to Grandad's Reviews. Today, it's something different. I've created a cyanotype in the usual way, and today I'm going to see what it looks like with a green tea tone. So let's have a look what we're doing. Now this is the cyanotype, and I've got it soaking in a bath of water just to get the print wet. So take that out, and in here I've got some bleach. I'm going to bleach cyanotype, and just a little bleach. I'll take too much off it. So we'll just do this till we get some of the blue out of it. I've done quite a weak bleach, so it could take a little while. Alright, sitting there to bleach, what I'll do is I'll get the tea solution, get the tea bags out. And we'll make that up to about a litre. There we go. Let's stir. So that's ready to go. Again, the bleach is going. There I am. It's lighting up now. Just got to decide how light I want it. I think that's about it. Just wash the bleach off. And we'll stick the tea in. So what we'll do is leave this sitting for, I don't know, 20-30 minutes. And I'll come back to see what it's like. Alright, so we've had it soaking for a little while. Yep, so we've had it soaking in there for a while, so what we'll do is we'll empty that out and give it a wash. Just need to give it a couple of minute wash just to get the tannins out of it. And it should just about do us. So we've got this different colour now, just need it to dry to see what it's going to turn out like.